There are multiple weddings I've got to go to, and I have lots of Kanjivaram sarees, but the blouses are all not fitting me because the sarees are 2 to 3 years old. I don't have the time to go and look find blouses, get them stitched. Lots of customers have complained about this. At Avishya, we are happy to bring you our latest collection of Banasi silk blouses. Before I show you the blouses, if you're following our videos, please like this video, follow our channel and click on the bell button. It'll help us a lot if you subscribe to our channel because then you'll get notified of all our future drops. The first blouse I'm going to show you is a beautiful Ananda blue Banarsi blouse. This is a Banarsi Katan silk blouse. The blue has nice butties, gold zari butties with meenakari thread work in it. Anyhow, today matching blouses is not in trend. Most customers want to coordinate their sarees with blouses which work and for the look they want to achieve. So this blouse will go with lot of your Kanjivaram sarees. So we have two types of Banarsi blouses. That's a Katan silk blouse. We also have a bunch of tanchoys. So this is a nice magenta tanchoy with nice red, green and resham work across it. So again, we'll work with many of your Kanjivaram sarees. Blouses come in multiple sizes from size 32 to 42. So whatever your size, we have blouses for you. Also, the other specialty about Avishya blouses, most ready-mades won't have it. If you look inside, all the blouses have 3 extra stitches, which means you can take it out up to a couple of inches. Also, these are all single stitch. So you don't need to go to a tailor to take it out really. You can do it yourself. The other thing is our lining is all pre-washed and pre-shrunk. Because with silk sarees, lots of customers say, no, we buy a silk blouse, but then the lining after washing shrinks and sort of, the blouse feels very baggy. To avoid that, all our lining is pre-washed and shrunk. We only use cotton lining because India is a hot country and this is easy on the skin. Okay, there's one more pink I'm going to show you. This is from the same family. But look at this look versus this look. While this is a tanchoy look, this is a bright Katan silk look. And this one's got like nice genda booties and floral patterns across. It's got a V-neck and a square pot front. The next blouse I'm going to show you is a beautiful beige. This is again a timeless color, so it will go with lots of sarees. And it's got floral booties across. All of these are princess cut blouses. And this is a very, very minimal style. We also have a grey, which is sort of a neutral color. And it's got nice bold floral booties. In fact, we have two greys. So I'm going to show you both together. This is sort of this is an elephant grey. This is a grey and beige combined. Look at how different they are. So depending on what saree you want to wear and the look you want to achieve, you can pair it with either of these blouses. This is got more saree and looking more grand. This is a more subtle grey. If you like these blouses and you want to try them on or match them with your saree and you're living in Chennai, please visit our store in Alvarpet. We're located at 281 TTK Road and they're open on all 7 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can come with your saree and our store staff will help you find a perfect blouse. If you're not living in Chennai and you're living anywhere in India or across the world, please visit our website, avishya.com, and check out our Banarsi blouses section. Our customer service team will be happy to help you find the blouse that's perfect for your saree. If you don't want to go to the website itself and just want to buy on WhatsApp, our WhatsApp number is 73057 77291. A screenshot of your saree on WhatsApp and our customer service team will help you find the perfect blouse. This is like a beautiful blue. These flowers have a nice pink, a silver color resham, a pastel pink, a green, and this will work with multiple sarees. Now this one, if you look at it, is beautiful. It's almost got a gold tissue kind of background. Then it's got an aqua and pink color work on it. This again will pair with multiple sarees. Now I'm going to show you one more, which is a beautiful green. It's almost a tissue green with pink and grey. We have one more blouse in the same design. See, it's pretty much the same design, but this is like a shell pink with a darker pink and grey. So both of them, the design is the same, but because of the play of colors, they can work very well with very different sarees. This is a beautiful peach. And if you come close, the buttas itself are very, very different. This has got gold petals and the center is a silver. It looks very, very stylish. Then of course, there's a classic mustard yellow. Mustard yellow will work with lots of your Kanjivaram. I mean, you can wear these with Banarsis also because this is a very popular color in Kanjivaram. It has got lovely floral butties across and there's a meenakari dot in the center of the floral butties, alternate green and pink. Again, we have two shades of green. See how different they are. One is a brighter, more popping green. The other is more demure. The brighter green also has meenakari work and jangla motifs. This has got a more subtle floral butties. I'm just showing you two of the same color because really depending on the look you want to achieve, you can pair either of these blouses. And silk blouses are difficult to find perfect matches to. Getting it stitched is a problem. So these ready-made blouses, Avishya fits are very easy. Our blouses are not padded. Lots of customers do not like padding on their blouses. Again, because they're a hot country and padding is not necessarily very comfortable always. So they're not padded. So if you're looking for a non-padded blouse in silk, these blouses are perfect. Last color, which is again very, very different. This is a very traditional silk color. This is almost a wine red And this is a Catan silk blouse with Jangla design across, and the motifs are looking very pretty. The floral designs, the leaves are going all across the blouse, and then this beautiful Meenakari work inside the flower. I have a subtler version of this, a maroon in tanchai with beautiful floral motifs across the blouse. Again, depending, this will work for a more subtle, simple sari. Whereas for a grand sari, this blouse will look very nice. Also, what you need to note is Avishya blouses are all made of handloom silk. So the silk doesn't poke. Sometimes what happens in blouses is, because the sleeve is rubbing against your waist or hip, at that point, if you have sensitive skin, machine-made blouses sort of hurt your skin. This is all handloom, and it's high quality resham and zari, so the feel of the blouse is very, very soft. So you won't feel any roughness on your skin. If you like this collection, like I said, please visit our store in Chennai with your sari and you can find the perfect blouse. If you're not living in Chennai and you're living anywhere in India, visit our website avishya.com and check out the Banarsi blouses, and you can see the entire collection online. If you like this video, please click on the like button, follow our channel and hit on the bell button so that you don't miss any further drops from us. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you again.